Hey, if you wonder how you can recharge your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, I'm gonna show you in this video. So first of all, we've got the few different methods, and the most popular is actually to use this charging brick. And I'm actually using the brick from my old Huawei phone with the quick charge, and I'm using different cables. But for example, I can use this one. So you don't need to buy this dedicated Samsung brick. You can use brick from any other smartphone. And when you plug this USB-C cable into the USB-C port on your A35G, you will charge your phone. There's also this second way how you can recharge your phone by plugging the cable into the second phone USB port. So in this case, I'm using the Pixel 7 Pro, and take a look. Now I'm plugging in and I'm recharging my A35 5G from my Pixel 7 Pro. And another way is actually to plug this cable, to connect this cable to your Samsung, and for example to your PC, to your game console, to the laptop, or any other device where actually has access into the power supply and where you can actually plug the USB cable. Even you can recharge your smartphone by plugging this cable into your monitor. If your monitor is turned on and plugged into your PC, for example, you will actually recharge your smartphone. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.